Good morning, McDonald's Canada. Happy Wednesday to all. So, if you are a follower of me, subscribers, thank you so much for watching. Sa mga hindi pa po naka-follow, naka-subscribe sa akin, pwede naman po akong i-follow and i-subscribe. So, I have another one here again from Tiny Tan, inspired by BTS. Alright, let's check. Sino yung makukuha natin ngayon? So, every box, you don't know kung sino yung makukuha mo. So, I got RM. Let's open. And this is it. Ang cute niya. Actually, lahat sila mga palangga. Ang cute nila lahat. Ayan. So, if you are a BTS fan, you can collect all of this. Ang cute niya. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood, maraming salamat din. So, stay tuned po kayo for my next video. Thank you for now and bye-bye.